Welcome to the crawl space. Excuse the mess. We're gonna put you GoPro so you'll see stuff. Oh, you still recording? Yes. Okay. Get some light on this subject. Can't see. Scheisse. Sorry, I'm gonna say scheisse. I can't see anything. Nebo Omni 2K 2000 lumen omnidirectional work light is dope. Don't tell my wife I bought it. Oh wait, now she knows. It's pretty cool though. Set it up wherever you want. It's got a magnet on it too. Yeah. Oh. Well, that's not that thick. But if it was thick metal, oh, that's right. There's some metal. There it is. See? Cool. Cool, huh? Cool. I think there's actually some metal right behind. Don't worry, I got the power off. All the things. Yeah, anyways, I'll put it on the floor actually. Anyways, this is how my workday goes. Can't decide. Not sure. Can't decide. NSCD. If you know, you know. Okay, I've already got that one off. There was a big explosion of water, which I wish I had the GoPro for. Looks like they used tape, which did not seal that great. Which is why, if you want stuff done well, you gotta do it yourself. This song's so cool, Primavera by some Italian dude. I can't remember it. There we go, come on, tape. Got the Copper Pro Press tool today from Milwaukee. Got this. We're gonna put the new part. I probably have this part somewhere, but can't find it at the moment. This little guy. Does it say on there cheese? I just missed it all. It'd be pretty cool if there was. I know. There's not. So I should probably use this new tape. probably put the piece of café on first, you know, so we know the lengths of where we need to go. We have it on here, like so. Where's my thing? I'm using this one. This isn't that fun. I'll come back.